Good morning, YouTube. Project for today with my Class C RV bathroom vent fan. Well, I'm replacing, as you can see, the vent cover. An acorn actually came and blew a hole through it. Over time, these vents get very brittle. I do have some Gorilla tape, clear tape over it, so it's not leaking, but such a nice day, and I have assembled the part, so let's dig into it. Now, to remove the old vent, you have to, if you can't quite see it, but there we go. There are 4 screws holding this frame trim up. And then I believe, if you can see up in there, there are 2 screws holding the screen in. So remove the screen, remove the handle, so we can get the screen off, and then the handle mounted on the cross member there, I'll remove that so that I can slide the arm out of that slot, which is in the old cover. And then the new cover, right here, so let's slide it in there, and this is just the standard cover that fits a 14 by 14 vent. So, all right, so I'll get started with that. Simple hand tools that you'd have available in the RV at all times anyway. Alright, so there we go. Okay. There's the one. There it is. All right, so there, we got the fan. Got it. All right. So now it's just a matter of going up on the roof and sliding the old one in. Okay, so we're on top now. And we need to, all right, that tab that you tab on the other side. Let's move the camera out of the way. That just slides off like that. And with any luck, the new one just slides on. And press that one down. Press that one down. And boom. Installed. Easy as that. See? Oh, I can get. You have a little tab that presses down to hold it on. It's just a rounded rail that slides into the cover. And there's the top of the vent. Alright, so now we can go back down and button up the bottom. Alright. Covers up. Alright. Excellent. Job done. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.